to alert you first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
Welcome back to KIMT News 3 at 5 on your Thursday. We were seeing some chances for severe storms in Rochester a little bit earlier, but Sarah's saying they're kind of dissipating.
Yeah, and thankfully that's good because yes, Thursday's downtown happening in downtown Rochester at the moment, because last Thursday we had that quick storm that just burst out of nowhere.
Guess what? There's a chance for that as we get later into tonight once again. The very summer-like storms that we're seeing moving across the area as we speak. For some, for others, it's going to be a little later on into the day. We've got a live look over Mason City here, which is soaking up the sun just a little bit ago. We can easily see some blue sky. Looked very different about an hour or two ago when some storms were rolling through. And even now we can see the clouds billowing in the background. Another storm is potentially headed towards Mason City as we speak, currently towards Forest City. So another round of potential storms that could have some hail as well as all of that lightning and thunder coming through the southwest portion of our viewing area. Earlier there were severe warning cells that went through, and now they're further to the south. Well, this has just developed recently a little further north on the border there and has moved in. Zooming things out, and again, there it is. This was the line that came through not too long ago, continues to make its way southward with more development behind it. Tells you we've got another charged atmosphere ready for a lot of these storms to pop up and move pretty quick. A few little cells can be found just north of Decorah right now and just southeast of Spring Valley. We're talking pockets of heavy rainfall, maybe some lightning here or there. Same thing can be said in Blooming Prairie. Meanwhile, Wells is about to get some rainfall as well. We'll zoom things out and I can show what's coming in from the west. Yes, this is currently mainly across the border right now in South Dakota. There were some severe warning cells with these. As they continue to move east, though, they could be picking up energy once again coming into our area and bringing that threat for more severe weather. And yes, that's coming later tonight. Temperatures for some a little cooler than others. Austin, Mason City, Charles City, Albert Lea cooler because we've had a little of the rain already. And now I'm going to time out when we can expect more of those storms to come our way. As of right now, we are picking up on after the sun sets. This is around 10 p.m. Give it an hour or two and now it's in the area. We actually start to see a line developing around midnight tonight. And these storms could stay with us as we get later into the early morning. We're talking 2 a.m. to 4 a.m., which means that a lot of us are going to be asleep as these storms move through. So, best advice I have for you now, make sure your devices are charged and the sound is on so that you can hear if an alert comes our way. If a severe thunderstorm warning and even a tornado warning comes, you have a way to be notified. Now here in the 7-day forecast where the weekend is always in view, there will be another chance for some storms as we come into Friday. The heaviest of them still looking for the morning hours with some additional rain for the afternoon and evening. Tyler and Jess.